Okay, what is going on, CYPRX YouTubers? Welcome back to the CYPRX YouTube page. As always, if you're interested in learning about cryptocurrencies, commodities, indices, foreign exchange, please go ahead and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. In today's video breakdown, we're going to cover some XRP price action. I'm also going to read to you some interesting fundamental articles that I found on the internet. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. It does help boost the YouTube algorithm. And please make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel. There's a lot of you all that are watching this YouTube. There's over 100,000 views on this YouTube, but not 100,000 subscribers, which means that you guys are not smashing that subscribe button. It does help boost the YouTube algorithm. It's free, and we really do appreciate the love and the support. All right. I posted this on Twitter for those of you all who want to follow me at detrimental. You guys are more than welcome. This is my only Twitter page. It has 10.5K followers. But anyways, it says here, 18 hours ago, I said, I feel as if the markets are going to dump one more time before we get a bullish rally. Timing seems too good to be true, or is that just me being pessimistic? Would you look at that? Check this out, okay? 18 hours ago was around here in this general vicinity, and look what the markets just did. The markets are laughable, okay? People say that they can't predict the markets. People say that they can't interpret what the heck is going on in price action. It is super simplistic if you are trading against retail methodology. Plain and simple, there's so much trend line liquidity beneath all of these lows where we can see, right? Retail traders most likely are buying some type of imaginary, like make-believe trend line all in this area, buying the lows, buying the lows, buying the lows, buying the lows. So there's so many leverage positions that exist beneath these lows, and also people that are willing to sell beneath these lows if price does ever come back down to this general region, okay? So on XRP price action, what it is that I would like to currently see now that we've dipped into this potential liquidity area, we have this significant order block area where we can see the banking institutions put in their last institutional order around 72.5 cents. So we'll go ahead and we'll mark that psychological level off. Okay, 72.5 cents. We'll just round that off right there. Okay. Boom. And we can see that they push price all the way up to around 92 cents. We'll just go ahead and we'll just mark that off as 91250 psychological level. Okay. So you guys can see here, we have some interesting psychological levels that we need to maintain inside of this bullish price leg in order to see a higher rally on XRP. All right. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't look like a bunch of retail jargon. Let's get rid of the indicators. Okay, we'll get rid of all that jazz just to clear up the charts and make things very concise for you all. All right, we can see here the market makers are grabbing liquidity currently. So what does that mean? We're operating inside of this overall A from 72.5 cents to B move to 91 and let's just say a quarter of a cent. Okay, so what we need to see is we need to see the 72.5 cent region hold logically. Why? Because then that would give us a higher low on the higher time frame. If this higher low formation does not hold and we break beneath this low, one of two things can happen. We could be coming for liquidity beneath this previous low, and then we would need to see a bullish reaction and a break back above the psychological level and a trail to go higher. If not, and we break beneath this psychological level, price does not continue to the upside, and we get a close beneath this level, then most likely we are going to attack liquidity to the downside, anywhere between the 55 cent, the 68 cent region where I told you guys in previous YouTube videos, we could potentially be coming back to grab some of that liquidity on XRP and other altcoins before we do see a move to the upside. Overall, long term, you guys know my stance on XRP. My, I'd say biggest bag aside from Casper and Hbar is XRP. All right. So I'm bullish on XRP in the long term. However, I have had this pessimistic view that this bullish rally that has been taking place with Bitcoin and other altcoins is too good to be true in the moment, okay? I think that we're too early on into the year to see any type of bullish reaction just yet, although I do think it is coming. However, you guys know me, I think that we need to grab some type of liquidity to the downside before we see any price action higher. So let's be mindful of these two psychological levels. Let's see if in this general range or vicinity beneath any of these lows, we can get a bullish reaction and not even tap into the 72.5 cent range. That would be amazing to see a reversal from this level, right? Something like this, and then a move into that dollar general vicinity to grab that liquidity that we have been waiting on at $1 above these two equal highs at around $1.02 for quite some time. All right, that is my current up-to-date technical analysis on XRP. I told you guys on Twitter 18 hours ago, I feel as if the market is going to dump one more time before we get a bullish rally. You guys could have taken that advice, hold off on buying positions. Again, not investing advice, just giving you guys my general perspective and updates on the market. Going into some interesting fundamentals, this article is from fxstreet.com. Very interesting why XRP price at $20 seems more plausible than $5.89, right? Again, this is hopium right here. This is going to create a lot of people getting smacked out of the market when this doesn't happen in the next year or two, okay? Maybe potentially in the next 5 to 10 years, don't get me wrong, okay? But this would be massive for XRP, and it is going to take time if it is ever going to happen. Set yourself realistic expectations and you will be much more happy and satisfied with the market, okay? XRP price nears the end of the bullish pattern that is more than 4 years old. A breakout from this setup could push XRP to $3 and higher. If XRP goes to $3, people are going to FOMO in and just boost the price all the way up to probably $5 to $10, okay? A daily candlestick closed below 59 cents. Interesting to say the least that I've been targeting the 55 cent to 68 cent range. So it's interesting that they say that here, but it will invalidate the bullish thesis for the remnants token, okay? I'm not going to read the rest of that article, just highlighting some key tips for you guys in this article. You guys can go check that out, fxstreet.com. This one is from the Daily Huddle. Historic rally insight for Ethereum. Crypto analyst Benjamin Cohen compares ETH price to the 2017 bull cycle. You guys can go check this one out, dailyhuddle.com. Again, very interesting. Another bullish article that we see for altcoins. If Ethereum pumps, most likely the other altcoins are going to follow, right? Another interesting article from the Daily Huddle. House Democrats propose a new anonymity-based e-cash currency report. A handful of congressional Democrats are putting forth a legislation to create a new digital currency that would have equal standing with the US dollar. Again, we see fully digital integrated institutional order flow coming into the market, okay? This is going to boost the cryptocurrency markets in the long run. We're in the infant stage. We're only 13 years into this market. There is so much more potential to come. By establishing a pilot program within the Treasury for the development of an electronic US dollar, the eCash Act will greatly complement and advance ongoing efforts to undertake by the Federal Reserve and President Biden to examine potential design and deployment options for a digital dollar. I've been telling people, I've been telling my family, I've been telling my friends, fiat money is going away. It is all a fully integrated process with all of the manipulation amongst the news, right? CV-19, the war, everything. It is all a scheme by the elites to enhance their pockets and enhance their positions and transform this global economy into a paperless economy, all right? It's just going to be a revolution, all right? If you're not hip, you need to wake up. Even if you're not invested in a cryptocurrency, figure out how you can protect your assets, all right? We see this article here from you today, very interesting. The, again, headliner we see taking the lead, Ripple scores another victory over the SEC. I mentioned to you guys in a couple of videos a few months ago that once we see mainstream adoption, all of these news articles are gonna have Ripple in it in every single headline. Every single headline, as you guys can see, has been talking about the Ripple headline. All right, in the Ripple SEC case. But scrolling down here, this is what I found interesting in this article. 91% of US consumers have heard of crypto, survey says. Morning Consult, a global decision intelligence company, has recently shared the result of its survey. On the topic of the crypto awareness, according to what they have found out, 91% of US consumers are familiar with crypto, and 19% of the respondents said that they have owned some crypto. Look at this number. Only 19% out of 91% of the people that know about crypto actually invested in it. Can you imagine when this number starts to equal out and we start to see a rise, maybe 50% of respondents, maybe 75% of respondents, and then let's say, 90% of respondents start to learn and invest in cryptocurrency, what that's going to do for the market in the long run. However, Morning Consult states that such hot trends as DeFi and Web3 are yet to enter the mainstream. Look at this sentence, look at the key vocabulary. DeFi and Web3 are yet to enter the mainstream, right? What happens when they do? Again, mainstream adoption. That is going to boost retail sentiment, right? Moms, dads, cousins, brothers, aunts, uncles, all that stuff, all that jazz. It's going to spread like wildfire, and people are going to be buying these coins at very higher significant prices than they are at right now for the people right now that are listening to this and getting in on these early discounted prices, okay? Half of US consumers who do not own digital tokens have not heard of the term NFT, within 13% of crypto owners being unfamiliar with the latest crypto trend. Interesting to say the least. We see coins like XRP, Casper, Hbar, XLM, XDC, all at very minimum price levels compared to where they are going to be at in the future. Now, mark my words, right? If you follow this YouTube channel for quite some time, I'm going to be around here for another year, 2 years, 3 years, okay? Depending on when it is that I retire from the markets. Watch and mark my words. There is going to be an article that comes out in the future where you see this 19% out of 91% go from 19% to maybe 50 to 75%. And all of these price levels that we are currently looking at right now are going to be much, much, much higher. All right. You don't want to miss out on the opportunity. Again, not investing advice, but to say the least, it is extremely crucial, again, that you all pay attention to significant price levels. Alrighty, that is all that I have for you all today. I hope that you all enjoyed this video breakdown. Interesting fundamentals, interesting price action on XRP, especially surrounding the tweet that I had sent out to you guys 18 hours ago surrounding this potential dump that was going to take place. Blessings to you guys. If you guys like this video breakdown, make sure that you smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's free and it helps this YouTube channel grow. Really do appreciate the love and the support. As always, be cognizant, be aware, and I'll see you guys in the next video breakdown.